This is the sign up screen which allows new users to create an account. The user enters the name, email address, password, and confirms their password. The application checks that all required fields have been completed and that both password fields match. If any information is missing or invalid, an appropriate error message is displayed. Once the account is successfully created using Firebase authentication, the user can log in and start using the application. This is the login screen where existing users can access the application by entering their email address and password. The login process uses Firebase authentication to securely verify the user's credentials. Before logging in, the app checks that both fields have been completed. If any field is left empty or login details are incorrect, an error message is displayed to guide the user. Once the login is successful, the user is taken to the home screen.
This is the splash screen. It shows our logo with a fade in animation, and it checks if there's an internet connection and verifies whether the user is already logged in through the Firebase authentication. If they're already logged in, it takes them straight to the home page. If they're not logged in, it takes them to the login screen.
This is the app's homepage. The homepage is the main screen of the application, and it gives the users an overview of their subscriptions and allows them to navigate to the other pages of the app as well. This screen is implemented using the homepage activity Kotlin file and the activity homepage XML layout. It retrieves the user's subscription data, budget data from the Firebase real-time database. The homepage at the top, it greets the user with their name. It shows the monthly budget card with the user's monthly spending, budget status, and progress bar. The greeting is also based on the current time, along with the user's name. And on the top, we have the notification and the user profile page. If we go down, a pie chart is used to display the user spending by category, and a legend is displayed below the chart. So showing the category name, the monthly cost, the percentage of total spending, and the subscriptions that belong to that category. At the bottom of the screen, we have a quick access button so the users can access all of the different pages of the app quickly. Thank you.
This is the wishlist screen, which allows users to save subscriptions they may want to purchase in the future. Each wishlist item displays the subscription's icon, name, category, and price, making it easier for users to compare different subscriptions. Users can add a new wishlist item by clicking the Add Wishlist button. They can either choose from a list of predefined subscriptions or manually enter their own subscription details. When the user decides to subscribe, they can simply click the Move to Subscriptions button. This opens the subscriptions form with all the information already filled in, so they do not need to enter it again. Users can also delete wishlist items if they are no longer needed. All wishlist data is stored and retrieved from the Firebase real-time database, ensuring that the information is updated in real time.
This is the bookmark screen, and this screen shows all the subscriptions that the user has bookmarked for quick access. Users can bookmark a subscription by tapping the star icon on the subscription details screen. Each bookmark subscription displays the service icon, service name, subscription price, and billing period. The total number of bookmarked subscriptions is also shown at the top. When the screen opens, the application retrieves subscription data from Firebase and displays only the active bookmark subscriptions. Users can tap any subscription to open its details. When a subscription is bookmarked, a snack bar appears with a shortcut to directly open the bookmark subscription screen. If a bookmark is removed, a toast message is displayed to confirm that it has been removed from the bookmark list. If there are no bookmark subscriptions, a list is hidden and a no bookmark subscription message is displayed.
This is the budget and goals screen, which helps users keep track of their subscription spending. Users can set a monthly budget by clicking the Set Budget button and entering their desired amount. The budget is stored in Firebase, and the app automatically calculates the user's total monthly spending based on the active subscriptions. It then displays the remaining budget, the percentage of the budget that has been used, and a goal status message. A progress bar provides a visual representation of the user's spending. The bar changes from green when spending is within the budget to yellow when the user is close to reaching the budget and red when the budget has been exceeded. This allows users to quickly understand their spending and better manage their subscription expenses.
The payment history screen displays the user's payment history for their active subscriptions. At the top, users can see the total amount spent on all active subscriptions. Below is a list showing each subscription users have paid for. When this screen is opened, the application retrieves subscription information from Firebase to the subscription repository. Only active subscriptions are included. The system then calculates the most recent payment based on the subscription start date and billing period. This payment records are displayed using a recycler view with a custom adapter. If there are no active subscriptions, the payment list is hidden and a no payment history message is displayed. Analytics screen. At the top of the screen, we show the user's total monthly spend, which is automatically normalized across different billing cycles. So, a yearly subscription and a weekly subscription are both converted to be a fair monthly comparison. Below that, this card shows the single most expensive subscription that the user has. Then the pie chart breaks down spending by category, and beneath it, this legend shows the exact amount and percentage per category. If a user has no subscriptions yet, instead of showing an empty chart, we show a message with a button that takes them straight to adding their first subscription. This is the user profile screen. At the top of the screen, we can see the user's display name, which is directly pulled from the Firebase. They can edit their display name, and once they save changes, it gets saved in the Firebase and a real time database. So the name stays consistent throughout the app. Below that is the currency preference, which affects how prices are displayed throughout the whole app. Then we have a dark mode toggle, which applies instantly across every screen. Then in the security section, the users can change their password, which requires re-entering the current password first, since the Firebase requires re-authentication before allowing a password change. And from the screen, the users can also view the app version and log out from the app.
The notification screen displays payment reminders for the user's subscriptions. Each notification card shows the subscription name along with a reminder message. The application retrieves subscription information from Firebase using the subscription repository. Based on each subscription's billing period and start date, reminder messages are generated in real time. These reminders are temporarily stored as notification item objects and displayed in a recycler view. Users can tap a notification to mark it as read, which changes its appearance. If there are no reminders available, the notification list is hidden and a no notifications message is displayed. In addition, Android systems notifications are generated using notification helper class to remind users about upcoming payments.